We're very excited for Dr. Marisa to show us around and to tell you all about our chiropractic office here. Thank you for investing in Bettendorf. Thank you for investing in the Quad Cities. We hope that your business will be a huge success, and we're here to support you in any way that we can.
This is the product of what happens when you follow your heart. This isn't my first rodeo. My first practice was in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, which is where I'm from. And I love my family and I miss them terribly when I'm here, but there's a reason why this one's called Homestead, because it means a lot more. Homestead Chiropractic is a home for everyone. I'm here to help you heal from things that you never thought chiropractic would have anything to do with because of the effect of the nervous system and how that has an impact on your health and on your body. And so for me to be able to bring something to the QC to help impact one person that can impact their relational space with everyone else is huge. So thank you all so much for being here. You have no idea how much it means to me.
1, 2, and 3.